What is everyone? Hope so all of doing well. And in this video, I will show you how you can fix Mi 11 Ultra or Mi 11 Lite network problem. First of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new in this channel. So to fix Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra or 11 Lite network problem, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every step as I am showing you in this video.